Whoa! Whoa!
I had a bad dream.
So you've been unemployed for how long now?
Well,
About 5 years. You almost hit me in the nose.
shut up. We've been, we were employed, last week.
We're a band. We've been a band for 9 years.
Yeah, I don't know if that would count as employment, but we were employed.
We get a lot of money out of that. I found $4 the other day.
We just need a bit of money for rent. We're going to be employed in like...
We found that $4 outside our flat. That was probably a good part of our... That was a paramount, actually.
Okay, so what are your previous employments?
Previous employments?
Yeah.
Previous
Jobs.
employments. Well,
Yeah, we used to install heaters. Actually, we may have done that one there.
What company was that?
Heaters Trust. That was a charity job. We actually did that free, but you know, there was the odd time where, you know, the people they'd say, oh, if you mow my lawns, we'll give you another $5. So we used to make a company about $5 every job.
It says here there's no record of employment ever.
Well, that might.
Well, that's wrong.
We might have actually. That might have been a typo on my behalf. I think I wrote up. I think I wrote our records wrong. Did I write them? No, that wasn't even me, was it?
These are Wins' records. These are their
For
employment
Wins.
records for Wins.
Oh, for Wins.
Yeah. They want to check to make sure that we actually are trying to keep employment.
Oh. Wins never told us that. Was that Peter?
You're supposed to know this.
Is that Peter from Wins? I don't know. Yeah, well,
we're with Alan or Stevens now, so we'll probably...
he lost us a lot of money.
We're in the middle of a meeting. We'll probably... I know that we're with Alan or Stevens now, not Peter, so...
I don't know.
Yeah, I mean Alan. What is that?
Alan.
Okay.
Eleanor's not a name. Not a male one.
Lots of people always call Eleanor.
Guys, do you want to be employed?
Do you want to be employed?
No, this is about you. This is I'm employed.
Yeah, well, you're employed, but we're not employed.
I think I'd rather do my job.
Do you
than
guys want
your
a job or not?
We've got a pretty decent job. You know, the heater company, they were pretty appreciative every Christmas.
So do you still work at the heater company?
Oh, every Christmas they call us back.
Okay. Well, can you give me their number? Or?
It's more...
They can't afford a phone.
No, I think it's more that it's our neighbour. More than that.
I don't think that's really a job. It's more helping.
Well, we could put that down.
Yeah, we just need a bit of help now.
Yeah, that's why we're applying for Wins. Actually, we've got a job available in our band.
Band?
In a band. Have you been in a rock band before?
I've always wanted to be in a band, actually.
Oh, good.
What kind of band is it?
It's the beginning of a band.
Okay.
It's the making of one. I think essentially what you could call us is a coalition of men, aspiring to become a band, a product.
So you guys actually aren't a band yet?
No.
Do you need instruments? I can get you instruments.
Can you? Do you have some at home?
I can. Yeah, no.
No,
But I can
say
give you
yes.
some.
Say
So you
yes.
can give us the unemployment benefit and also give us a loan. Basically, is it?
Wow.
And you can. Could you be in the band?
I'll be in the band. Yeah.
You could be in the band.
I'll be in the band.
He's in the band. Yeah.
let it. Not even
Back in the street, I said.
And then there's a song, and then they strap it down. Oh, wow.
Yeah, boy, the pedestrians on the street. Back in the street, I said.
Jet parties for hydrogen cube. This is fun.
Last night I saw you, I watched you sleep, resting your eyes in front of me. Last night I saw you, I watched you sleep, resting your eyes in front of me. Last night I saw you, I watched you sleep, resting your eyes in front of me. Last night I saw you, I watched you sleep, resting your eyes in front of me. Last night I saw you, I watched you sleep, resting your eyes beside of me. Last night I saw you, I watched you sleep, resting your eyes beside of me. Last night I saw you, I watched you sleep, resting your eyes beside of me. Last night I saw you, I watched you sleeping. Last night I saw you, I watched you sleep, resting your eyes in front of me. Last night I saw you, I watched you sleep, resting your eyes in front of me. Last night I saw you, I watched you sleep, resting your eyes in front of me.
Is that alright? Action.
You know what?
What?
I think we should bring out the big guns.
Oh, no, I'm way too big for those guns.
Come on, let's hit it. Yeah, no, I dropped my pick. And my pick is like cigarettes.
Or we can